grill shield for the car I'm building, and I painted it, I primed it yesterday, and it was so hot, and I had, when I would spray it, it would dry before it hit the metal, so I had to up the reducer and managed to get it on, but it turned out good. Once I block it out, I'll put another couple coats of primer on it. Perfect. So I did the nose and the hood, and so the next thing I got to do is the body, the side panels, and all the trim. And once I get that done, then I can paint it. I've got it on this cart where I can move it from here into my work room there with the air conditioning. So that's the next step. And we'll go in the room and I'll show you what I've done to the frame of the car.
All right.
All right, this is the Roadster, and I've put the floor back on it, the tail back on it. I've got to put a panel back here. I've got the metal ordered for back here, and I've got all the rims all the way around with the tires. I've got new tires on the front and some old ones on the back. But I'm getting close. I painted all the trim with the bed liner, and it looks very nice. It has turned out really nice. So as soon as I get the body out there painted, we'll come back in here and we'll put it on the car. We're getting close.